In this rapid list building system review, we will be answering the question, what if you could wake up to an avalanche of new subscribers, new customers, and new sales every single day on autopilot? It says here, steal my exact landing pages, emails, and traffic source, watch me build it all in real time, and clone me. So before we continue on though, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kurt Tesh. I do product review videos. I also do videos about making money online. I do marketing training videos. I also do videos about entrepreneurship, motivation, inspiration. So if that's what you're into, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you find this video helpful, do me a favor, give it a like and a share, and comment down below and let me know any questions you have about making money online, and I will create a video answering that question just for you. Also, if at any time during this video you want to check out Rapid List Building System, just click the link below in the description to do so. Also, during this video, we're going to be going over the sales page here, the front-end product. We're going to be talking about the front-end product, the OTOs, the upgrades, etc. And we'll also be going into the members area to give you a tour around, and we'll also be talking about the bonuses that I'm offering when you pick up your copy of Rapid List Building System through my link. All right. So here we are back on the sales page, and as it says, what if you could wake up to an avalanche of new subscribers, customers, and sales every single day on autopilot? Now, this course has been created by Ben Fletcher, and Ben is one of the best trainers out there when it comes to list building. Okay, I've gone through several of his courses, and everything he brings out, it's not only does he go over the basics for you. Okay, he goes over a lot of advanced and unique strategies that you're not going to find in any other training. Okay, so just scroll through here. He gives a shot of his dashboard. This looks like it might be from JVZoo. And here's this video here. He explains what the system's about. Now, I don't typically go by income proof on a sales page myself. I like to. You could have no sales proof at all, and I will still try the software out or still try the course out. This is a course, by the way. I will still try it out. I don't go by income proof because I know that my results are not going to be the same. Yours won't be the same. Everyone's results are going to be different, more or less or whatever. Okay, so getting back to it. Now, right now, this product is launching on the 24th of September. So there's a coming soon button right here. The front-end price is going to be $17 during the launch. It will go up to $97 after the launch price, after the launch is over with. Money back guarantee, obviously I like that. I like seeing a guarantee. And some more income proof here, testimonial here. So this is actually a full course where Ben gives you his entire system on how he builds his list and how he builds his income. Okay, so it says here, how to build a hyper-responsive email list that pays you for years without chasing trends or buying expensive ads in 2025. You do not need to buy ads to build your list. Okay, and one thing that Ben, and I'm going to go into the course in a second, but one thing Ben does highlight is that most people that get started, they don't focus time building their list. They go from one shiny object to another. He did it for the first few years. I did it for like a decade or more. People don't focus on the number one aspect of online business is building your email list. Okay, your email list is your goal, that's your lifeblood of your business. In fact, in one of the trainings, or actually, I'm sorry, in the video on the sales page here, Ben says that if his house is on fire and the fire marshal said you can go out, or you can go and get one thing and that's it, he said that one thing would be my email list. That is the lifeblood of your business, and this course is going to teach you how to build it and how to build profits in using Ben's system. Okay, so continue through the sales page here. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Okay, make sure you read through it all yourself. Okay, I mean there's a lot of good information here. Okay, and here's, like, for example, this is two different approaches. Okay, one approach is Jake's is a product exploding in popularity, tons of affiliates jumping on it. Perfect, he thinks. I'll just buy some PPC ads, target the product name, maybe set up a quick review site, and cash in. He spends the next week cloning other people's ads, tweaking headlines, throwing money at clicks, all of which go directly to the product's sales page. He gets few sales, but the next day a bigger affiliate with a bigger budget outbids him. His traffic dries up overnight. Jake's back at square one, hunting for the next product, the next loophole. Now, we have Eli's approach. Okay, Eli takes one look at the same product and says, if I'm sending people to the sales page, I'm making one sale at best. But if I capture their email first, I can make dozens. So Eli sets up a simple landing page, offers a short free PDF related to the product's niche, drives the same kind of traffic Jake does, but instead of sending it straight to the sales page, he collects their email. Day 1, they get the free guide. Eli follows up with the affiliate product. Day 3, another email, another relevant product. Day 5, a case study. Day 7, a new offer, and on and on. Even if the original product fades away, Eli's list remains. It's an audience he can profit from again and again without spending another dollar to reach them. So it shows you the importance of building your email list, okay? And again, this, I can't stress this enough, and this is what Ben goes through in his course. This is the number one thing. In fact, if you've been around for a while and you've gone through any trainings from, there was a marketer who passed away recently named Michelangelo Lopez, and he would always say, your job is collecting emails. That's it. Doesn't matter what your product is, collecting emails. Now, Ben, his course, he goes so deep into it, but makes it so easy to understand. Okay? You have to be building your list. I don't care what you're selling. I don't care what niche you're in. Whether it's the internet marketing, make money online niche, whether it's the health niche, fitness, whether it's, you know, you're selling services to local businesses. I don't care. You need to be building your list. Point blank. No exception. Alright. So again, I'm going to go through the sales page here real quick. I'll be going to the members area here in a second. But again, Ben talks about the different, why you should be building a list, you know, why not building a list is hurting you, some of the results that he's gotten, okay? Ben's also offering you some bonuses with his course, his high converting landing pages, his ready to send email sequences, and his #1 traffic source, all within the members area for you. Okay? Even some other bonuses here that he's offering. These are bonuses in addition to what I'm giving you, okay? So these are all coming directly from Ben. Get real-time over-the-shoulder setup, plug-and-play implementation checklist, lifetime access to all training materials, okay? So you get everything. Even if Ben decides to update some training, you're gonna still get it. You're not gonna have to pay anything extra. And again, like I say, I can vouch for it because I've taken several of Ben's courses, and they are, his specialization is list building, okay? And these courses are just fantastic. Okay? They are fantastic. They've helped me a lot myself. Alright, so this course, the front end, you're going to get that for $17, okay? Now we're going to be talking about any of the add-ons and OTOs here in a little bit, alright? $17 you're going to get this, okay? So, let's go into the members area, and I'm going to show you, I'm not going to play the videos for you, obviously, but I'm going to show you the course here inside the members area. So, once we go into, I'm already logged in, okay? And here are some of the things that Ben's going to go over in the course, okay? First, you have your core training right here. You got over-the-shoulder setup right here, live campaign right here, and you have your swipe steal deploy here, right? So, if we go to the core training, okay? Okay, so this is the rapid fire start right here, the core training. Then you have video 2, which is your targeted subscribers. Module 3, creating your email sequence. Video 4, paid traffic generation. So you can use paid traffic if you want to. Okay, you don't have to, but there's always that option to use paid traffic that actually can ramp up your results. So depending upon your budget and all that, you can use paid traffic. And these are the different traffic sources that Ben goes over in the paid. I will say I've used ClickEngine and I've used Udemy, and I've not used TrafficZest myself. The other two get you great results, but I've not used TrafficZest myself yet. But Ben will go over in this video how to use those properly, so you can get better results. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the front of the dashboard here. Now we have the over-the-shoulder machine setup. Okay, so this is here Ben's going to go over his landing page setup. Okay, here you can download Ben's landing page that he uses. Bridge page setup. Bridge pages are very important. Connecting your autoresponder, email sequencing. You can download his fill-in-the-blank sequence. And here Ben recommends GetResponse if you want to use GetResponse. Okay, and then this is his this is Ben's custom GPT for his 5-part email sequence writer. Okay, you get all that as part. This is all part of the front end deal, guys. This is not an upgrade. It's all part of the front end product. Okay, and go back. Also, now I will say Ben does warn about what autoresponders to use and not use. He does recommend GetResponse. Okay, I recommend a different autoresponder myself. But what Ben does is that he talks to you about GetResponse being again what he likes to use. He also warns about a few others that you don't want to use because they don't like affiliate marketers. Okay, they will shut you down. He says he used to use Aweber and they changed their policies a lot, so it doesn't work as well as it used to. So do your due diligence. Get GetResponse if you want to use GetResponse. Again, I have my own recommendation myself. If you want to hear my recommendations, but he does do a good service by recommending which ones to stay away from, so it doesn't ruin your business. Because they can actually take your list away, and then you got to start over from scratch. So, like for example, if an autoresponder shuts you down, okay, and you can't export your list, then you got to start your business all over again. So, again, getting back to the dashboard here. Now we have the live campaign module, where Ben puts together a campaign right in front of you, okay? Shows you exactly what to do. And this here's a link to that he can invite you to Traffic Zest. Traffic Zest you have to actually be invited to, so you can be invited to that link there. And then his Swipe Steal Deploy module. These are swipe copy that you can use, okay? All these are great to be using. Split Test Monkey, that's a split testing software that you can use. Okay, so all this stuff you get in the training or in the products. Okay, so you get your training and you get all the resources that Ben uses to build his list. So now let's talk about the OTOs and all that are being offered. So I'm going to go over and show you the list here. I don't have the sales pages for the OTOs right now, so I'm just going to go through the list here. So the front end, $17, and yes, I earn commission when you pick up your copy through my link. So full disclosure on that. There's also full disclosure in the description. So the front end teaches you how to build a responsive list from scratch with over-the-shoulder training, Ben's proven landing pages, email sequences, and traffic source. Okay. There's an order bump for a done-for-you high-converting email sequence that you can get for additional $27. Okay. This high-converting sequence turns freebie seekers into buyers in any niche. Ben's underground traffic systems. Rare under-the-radar traffic methods that deliver targeted visitors without the usual cost or competition. That's $47 for that upgrade. OTO2 is your affiliate AI GPT stack. So he's going to give you 4 custom-built GPTs that make affiliate marketing easier, faster, and more profitable. OTO3 is the silent commission tactics. That's $37. The exact blueprint Ben uses to go from Def Car Mechanic to 6-figure affiliate marketer. OTO4 is for the affiliate all access, $97. Okay, and that you'll learn more about. And there's all this about. You'll learn more about that when you go through the sales process. This is like an additional. So what this is, you get high ticket offers, top converting offers, affiliate networks, email marketing, super affiliate strategies. So basically things that Ben uses to earn his income. Okay. Looks like that's gonna be pretty good. And again, it says you're gonna be able to use it. It's gonna be able to give you a recurring split pay option to pay that, I think. So again, once the product launches and you go through the sales process, you'll be able to see more about each one. I'm just basically going through a list here, so I don't actually have the sales page to go by. And OTO5 is the Move the Needle coaching. It's a 1-to-1 5-day super affiliate jumpstart email coaching. $97 or 2 payments for $48.50, so you can get personal coaching from Ben. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to go into my bonus page and show you the bonuses I'll be giving you when you pick up your copy today. Now there are over $600 in bonuses that I'm giving you. Okay. And you'll see that bonus page right below in the description here on YouTube. Now I will have this video here that I'm doing right now will actually be on this page in this spot here. Okay. You're going to be able to click this button here to pick up your copy, okay? And then when you pick up your copy, of course, all the bonuses are going to be yours. Now, a couple of things. So we're going to go through here. I got a little bit of a blurb about what the product's about. So the bonuses that I'm giving you, okay? First bonus, it's a $97 value. You're going to get a course on how to build a massive email list on Autopilot. That's a video course right here you're going to get. Next bonus, how to increase traffic, build a list, and generate income on Autopilot. That's a $127 bonus. Next is using ChatGPT to generate thousands of leads in any niche, free and easy method. $87 value. Bonus number 4, viral list building on Autopilot. This is an 8-video list building course. Yours for free, $147 value. Bonus number 5, access to the Cash List Creator course. This is from my friend Dawud Islam. It's a $67 course, and he's going to teach you how to build a list with membership sites. Okay. And then finally, this is another course from Dawud Islam, Leopard Lists. This is a course that teaches you how to build a list very easily. $87. And all of these can be used in conjunction with Rapid List Building System to 10, 20, 100x your results. Okay. And that's over $600 in value in bonuses just for picking up Rapid List Building System through my link. So, before we close out, what do I like and not like about Rapid List Building System? Well, if I can see anything that I think, anything I can think can be improved, not necessarily don't like, but it can be improved, is that what I would like to see is for Ben to recommend other autoresponder services and other systems that could benefit, because for a lot of people, GetResponse can be pretty pricey. You are getting what you pay for. It is a great software. It is a great service. Don't get me wrong. But I would like to see Ben recommending other autoresponders that might be a little bit more within some people's budgets, which is why I will recommend some myself. Personally, I don't use GetResponse myself. If you want to hear my recommendations, definitely reach out to me. I have recommendations of what I use. But that's it. That's the only thing that I could see could be improved if Ben would actually make recommendations for people within different price points. Okay, for autoresponders and different systems. What I love about this is that this is a system, is a training system, which you can actually use even as a complete beginner. And what Ben does is he gets people straight into it by telling you, hey, listen, I don't care if you're a beginner or if you've been in this for a while. If you're not building your list, just stop jumping on every new thing. Okay? Stop promoting new stuff. Stop getting new software right. Stop it. Just focus on one thing, building your list. Everything that you're doing needs to focus on building your list. And by going through Ben's course, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. Okay? So with that, I want to thank you very much for watching today's video. Again, if you're new to my channel, I do product review videos all the time. I do videos about entrepreneurship, making money online, inspiration, motivation, etc. So if that's what you're into, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, give it a like and a share, and comment down below and let me know any questions you have about making money online, and then we'll create a personalized video to answer that question just for you. Again, this is Kurt Tasche, and thank you very much for watching my Rapid List Building System review.